previous videos, we learned how to create a navigation bar with a logo. You might have noticed that it is not responsive. This is what I want to teach you today. How to make your navigation bar responsive. If you didn't yet create a navigation bar, this is the code for HTML. And this is the code for CSS. You can pause the video and take your time. The first step to make the navigation bar responsive is to use media query rule. So we have here maximum width 720 pixels. This is the breakpoint. So the first step, we have to figure out the breakpoint. Here is the breakpoint. See, here 720 is the breakpoint for my side because the logo is overlapped with the contact. And see, here is not responsive. We have two things, maximum width and minimum width. Maximum width is between 0 and 720. That means when the screen is between 0 and 720, do the following things. Minimum width means that when the screen is about 720 or above, do the following things. And so I will start with the navigation, the main menu. And we want to do some changes for the main menu when the screen is reached 720 or above. I will remove the padding and I want to display the elements as a block and left side and just think 10 pixels. Also I want to change the background color. See? Okay, now we change this is to block. We need to do some changes on logo. Let's get back and copy the logo. Change the position to relative. Now let's check. Good. So here in iPhone X, see in Galaxy, it looks like this. In iPhone 5, iPhone 6, 7, 8, and iPad, it looks like this. iPad Pro is this. Just in simple steps, all you have to do is change the logo and main menu when the screen is reached to 220 pixels. Thank you for watching.